Get a boost of protein with your breakfast or snack with my Carrot Cottage Cheese Muffins recipe. Start by combining your dry ingredients in a bowl, whisk them together to combine and set aside. Use an immersion blender or a small blender to puree your cottage cheese and then transfer it to a large bowl. To the cottage cheese, add in your eggs, your brown sugar, and whisk until the brown sugar is well dissolved. Add in the melted butter. Keep whisking until combined, and then add in your dry ingredients. Use a spatula to fold the dry ingredients into the wet, and then add in your shredded carrots and your raisins. Fold them into the batter, making sure to not overmix. Prepare your muffin tin by lining them with muffin liners or spraying them with nonstick spray, and then divide the batter into 6 jumbo muffins. You can also divide the batter in 12 equal regular sized muffin cups and then bake them in the preheated oven. You know they're ready when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Transfer the muffins to a cooling rack for 10 minutes and enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.